Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2021. It's the 14th match in round one. The scores haven't changed. Queen's School on 20, Hydel High on 22. But there are two things to note. And one is that Hydel lost a point for the question, what name is given to mammals specialized in primarily eating flesh? The wrong answer came first. And their answer to the question, in which ministry does Daryl Vaz serve in Jamaica's cabinet, they were in fact correct. Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology. But now it's time for our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, and teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock. As our first question comes from Bible knowledge. Which Old Testament prophet said, "Unto us a child is born"? Hydel.
Isaiah.
Correct. Biology. What is the name for the part of the human eye that connects the iris to the choroid? Ciliary body. English language. Which 13-letter verb starting with P means to delay or postpone? Procrastinate. International affairs. Look at the following clip. Identify this person. The Queen's School.
Keith Rowley.
Correct. Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago. Chemistry. What is the formula for the sulfur hexafluoride? SF6. Music. Listen to the clip. Identify this duo. Chloe and Halle. General knowledge. What is the capital of the Netherlands? Hydel.
Amsterdam.
Correct.
Amsterdam.
Okay, that's correct. Spanish. What part of the human body is la espalda? The Queen's School.
The back.
Yes. Geography. In which group of islands is Santiago the largest? The Cape Verde Islands. Theatre and cinema. Look at the following clip. Identify this actor. Gary Oldman. Information technology on Twitter. What is the name for any list of tweets that constantly updates when new tweets that fit the specified criteria pop up? Feed or Twitter feed. History. Give the period during which the American Civil War was fought. Hydel.
1861 to 1865.
Correct. Mathematics. What are the prime factors of 180? Two, 3, and 5. Physics. If kinetic energy of a body of mass 2 kilograms is 25 joules, what would its speed be? .5 meters per second. Sports. A visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this footballer. Hydel.
Leeds, Bamford.
Watkin
Badford.
Incorrect. Patrick Bamford. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. The darkest part. Hydel.
Had the nearest part.
No, the darkest part of the night. And your answer would have been when day soon light. French. What is the English translation for the sentence J'ai oublié mes devoirs? I forgot my homework. Literature. Who wrote the 2016 young adult novel Salt to the Sea? Ruta Sepetys. And art. The 19th century painting Portrait of Émile Zola was done by which French artist? Edouard Manet. And Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is the first record of the ascendancy of David as king over Israel? 2 Samuel. And no time for the next question because that's the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. And the scores are the Queen's School on 24 and Hydel High on 24. We're even, Stephen. We're going to double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.